Can AI truly be creative? When we talk about creativity, our minds turn to innovation, emotion, and original human ideas. But now, with the emergence of tools like ChatGPT, DALL, Google MusicLM, many people are asking, are these models truly creative, or are they just cleverly copying? Let's start with the definition of creativity. In cognitive science, creativity is the ability to produce ideas that are both novel and useful. So the question is, can AI create something that is both new and useful? The answer is complex, but worth exploring. One, learning from the past, not personal experience. AI models, like GPT or DALL, are trained on existing data from the internet. This means they don't create something from outside previous information. Instead, they generate new outputs by combining, reconstructing, and predicting patterns. This has led many to argue that these tools are not creative, because they don't have anything of their own. 2. But creativity isn't always about absolute originality. In fact, many human creative ideas also come from combining past experiences. For example, when a writer blends multiple genres, or a painter mixes different styles, that's exactly what language and image models do, just on a larger and faster scale. 3. The difference lies in intent and perception of creativity. Humans create with intent. They want to convey a message, express a feeling, or challenge a viewpoint. But AI has no intent. Everything it generates is based on statistical and mathematical calculations, without truly understanding meaning. So this isn't true creativity. It's often called pseudo-creativity or machine creativity. 4. Human creativity is built through trial and error. AI uses algorithms. A composer might try hundreds of times to create a melody that matches their feelings. But an AI model can generate thousands of outputs in seconds and pick the best one. This difference in speed and volume of output leads people to think AI is superior, while the real difference lies in the philosophy behind creation. 5. So the conclusion? Collaboration, not competition. AI can be an exceptional tool to enhance human creativity. It can inspire, suggest directions, or create prototypes. But we still need the human mind for creating meaning, emotion, and intent. In reality, the best use of AI in art and creativity is in human-machine collaboration to build something that neither could create alone.